If you're working on a lace piece and you need to bind off and you need the fabric to lay flat and you're looking for a bind off that would allow the fabric to open with the lace, the Russian bind off is a very good solution. So you knit the first stitch. You keep the stitch that you just worked open. You insert your left needle to the back of this stitch and then you insert the right needle to the next stitch just to work it. I really use my thumbs and my fingers to manipulate the stitches. So I just work the stitch and I pull it through both of the stitches and I let them drop. I keep it open. I take my left needle, insert it to the back of this stitch, and then my right needle, I use my thumb just to hold the stitch that I worked. I insert my right needle to the next stitch and I work it, and I'm pulling this new stitch through both of them. And every once in a while I recommend to take a look and see if you did it good, if it's open enough, if it's too loose, then go back and correct it. If it's too tight, then go back and correct it, and just see that your fabric can lay flat. That's what you want. If you want to correct it and go back, then you can see that your working yarn is going through two stitches here, like a pyramid. You take your left needle, you insert it through both stitches, and then you can take out your right needle and pull the yarn and open it. And now the stitch that you want to take out is the first stitch on your left needle. And again, you're going to find the two stitches that the working yarn is going through, and with your left needle you insert it from left to right, and you can take out your right needle and pull the yarn through. Take the first stitch back to your right needle, insert your left needle through both stitches, and take the right needle out and pull the yarn through. So this is the way to unravel it if you want to go back. It's pretty simple and it's really helpful with lace. So hope you enjoy it.